What is machine learning? Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of machine learning. In less than 5 minutes, you'll understand the basics and how it's transforming our lives. So let's get started. First things first, what exactly is machine learning? Simply put, machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence that enables computers to learn from data and make predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed. Imagine teaching a child to recognize animals. Instead of giving them a list of rules, you show them pictures of cats and dogs. Over time, they learn to distinguish between the two based on the examples you provided. That's exactly how machine learning works. There are three main types of machine learning: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Let's break these down. In supervised learning, we train the model on a labeled data set. This means we provide the algorithm with input-output pairs. For example, if we want to predict house prices, we'd give it data on various houses along with their prices. The model learns from this data and can predict prices for new houses. Here, we provide the model with data without labels. The goal is to find patterns or groupings in the data. A great example is customer segmentation in marketing, where we group customers based on their purchasing behavior without prior labels. This involves training an agent to make decisions by taking actions in an environment to maximize some notion of cumulative reward. Think about training a dog. If it does something good, it gets a treat. Similarly, the agent learns through trial and error. Now you may ask, do I really need to know about or learn machine learning? Yes, because machine learning is everywhere. Here are a few real-world applications. Healthcare. Machine learning algorithms analyze medical data to predict diseases and recommend treatments. Finance. Banks use machine learning for fraud detection by analyzing transaction patterns. E-commerce. Ever wondered how Netflix recommends shows? It uses machine learning algorithms to suggest content based on your viewing habits. Self-driving cars. These vehicles rely heavily on machine learning to interpret their surroundings and make driving decisions. Now that you know what machine learning is and its applications, you might be wondering how to get started. Here are some steps. First is learn the basics. Start with foundational concepts in statistics and programming languages like Python or R. Second is online courses. Platforms like Udemy, Coursera, edX, and Udacity offer excellent courses tailored for beginners. Third is hands-on practice. Use libraries like scikit-learn or TensorFlow in Python to build your own projects. Number 4 is join communities. Engage with online communities like Kaggle or GitHub, where you can collaborate and learn from others. And there you have it. In less than 5 minutes, you've learned what machine learning is, its types, real-world applications, and how to start your journey in this exciting field. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Comment below with any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next. And remember to subscribe for more insights into data science and technology. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.